Who attacked each other first? Sonto? Who fights each other first? The guy here? Why now? This is rubbish now. This is rubbish now. I got contact him. No now. Video will never reach like that. No now.
Oh, I don't chop jollof, father. Where's I please? See, they bite me. Man, where they bite? They bite. Man, where they bite? You know, shame me, they bite me.
This person
Man, where they bite? You even bite me. Man, where they bite? I don't. I beat. They beg, they help him. They bite me. Jollof, they bite me. If they bite me, I enter plane, I see him. After I say, see, today you go slap me. I go near and I punch me, boom. When I follow him, he started bite me. He had red. He bite me. You say? Who be this man? Man on my phone for anything. My phone? Ah, he bites me. Oh God. He won't spoil my tattoo now with teeth and no brush.
See, but Mr. Jollof get mind though. You get mind, start fight when you know say you no fit win. Verydarkman come meet you, tell you say, Shebi you thought say you go slap me. Now say now slap me. Verydarkman just come play. You know say who is self no who Verydarkman be. Come play with you. For you to just find something, tell him, say alpha guy, person no go play with you now. Social media, you stand, tell him something. For it, you let your ego overshadow you. You blame Verydarkman. You get married though. First when you wish like that, you blame. I'm not saying if say we say Verydarkman they wrong, we go tell him say alpha you they wrong. But all of us say oh boy, everything Verydarkman start the fight since we fight you against. Now you dey wrong, Mr. Jollof. Everything we fight you against, now you dey wrong. So you coming out now fighting him, where you know say you dey wrong. Oh boy, you go trade tire, you go trade this night, now you go trade this period. But I don't know whether no limit they think like this. Drop your thought. What do you think about Mr. Jollof? Whether he made mistake or he didn't make mistake. Don't drop what you think. Because me said the sound say he don't fuck up. He really fuck up.